हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप? सबसे उम्मीद करूंगी आप सब अच्छे होंगे। वीडियो को देखने के बाद सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। Desired candidate profile. Above all, candidates qualified in respective discipline and having relevant experience in similar industry need to apply. Position QTY salary. Coordinator I 1125 Kuwaiti dinars. Maintenance reliability engineer. 1125 Kuwaiti dinars. Control and instrumentation engineer 1125 Kuwaiti dinars. Mechanical maintenance engineer 1125 Kuwaiti dinars. Electrical maintenance engineer field distribution 1125 Kuwaiti dinars. Electrical maintenance engineer 1125 Kuwaiti dinars. Condition monitoring engineer 1125 Kuwaiti dinars. Rotating equipment machinery engineer 1125 Kuwaiti dinars. Maintenance planning engineer 1125 Kuwaiti dinars. Planning engineer 1125 Kuwaiti dinars. Material engineer, planning 1125 Kuwaiti dinars. Material engineer, mechanical 1125 Kuwaiti dinars. Material engineer, inst. and elect 1125 Kuwaiti dinars. HSE, safety engineer 1125 Kuwaiti dinars. Laboratory technician, lube oil 360 Kuwaiti dinars. HSE, safety officer cum certified scaffolding 600 Kuwaiti dinars. Control and instrument supervisor 650 Kuwaiti dinars. Mechanical maint supervisor 650 Kuwaiti dinars. Electrical maint supervisor 650 Kuwaiti dinars. Rotating equipment supervisor 650 Kuwaiti dinars. Planning supervisor 650 Kuwaiti dinars. Site supervisor 650 Kuwaiti dinars. SR, technical assistant, contracts 380 Kuwaiti dinars. SR, technical assistant, cost control and monitoring 380 Kuwaiti dinars. SR, planning technician 600 Kuwaiti dinars. Senior church hand 500 Kuwaiti dinars. Lead instrument technician 380 Kuwaiti dinars. Lead instrument technician workshop 380 Kuwaiti dinars. Lead instrument technician, wellhead 380 Kuwaiti dinars. Lead mechanical technician 380 Kuwaiti dinars. Lead electrical technician 380 Kuwaiti dinars. Lead technician monitoring, vibration 380 Kuwaiti dinars. Lead technician rotating equipment machinery 380 Kuwaiti dinars. Charge hand 380 Kuwaiti dinars. AutoCAD draftsman 300 Kuwaiti dinars. Technical assistant 300 Kuwaiti dinars. Technical assistant material 300 Kuwaiti dinars. Secretary for management 715 Kuwaiti dinars. Secretary for TLs 715 Kuwaiti dinars. Instrument technician 300 Kuwaiti dinars. Instrument technician field preventive 300 Kuwaiti dinars. Instrument technician workshop 300 Kuwaiti dinars. Instrument technician wellhead 300 Kuwaiti dinars. Instrument analyzer technician 300 Kuwaiti dinars. Mechanical technician 300 Kuwaiti dinars. Mechanical technician vibration 360 Kuwaiti dinars. Electrical technician 300 Kuwaiti dinars. Electronic technician 300 Kuwaiti dinars. Condition monitoring technician 360 Kuwaiti dinars. Technician rotating equipment machinery 300 Kuwaiti dinars. Planning technician 350 Kuwaiti dinars. Plant reliability technician 360 Kuwaiti dinars. Insulation technician 250 Kuwaiti dinars. Valve maintenance technician 300 Kuwaiti dinars. Auto electrician 180 Kuwaiti dinars. Diesel mechanic 240 Kuwaiti dinars. SS welder 180 Kuwaiti dinars. CS welder 180 Kuwaiti dinars. Storekeeper 250 Kuwaiti dinars. Instrument fitter 170 Kuwaiti dinars. Mechanical fitter 170 Kuwaiti dinars. Electrical fitter 170 Kuwaiti dinars. GRP fitter 170 Kuwaiti dinars. Machinist 170 Kuwaiti dinars. Fabricator 170 Kuwaiti dinars. Electrician mate 130 Kuwaiti dinars. Cable jointer 200 Kuwaiti dinars. Cable jointer mate 130 Kuwaiti dinars. Scaffolder 130 Kuwaiti dinars. Grid blaster 130 Kuwaiti dinars. Painter 130 Kuwaiti dinars. Rigger 130 Kuwaiti dinars. Job descriptions. KOC Project Kuwait vacancy, large recruitment. Walk-in interview on the 26th of August 2024 at Kochi, on the 29th of August 2024 at Chennai, on 01 St and 02 ND September 2024 at Baroda, and on the 5th of September 2024 at Mumbai.